that this question contains 3 and 3 which are being cancelled, so the remaining portion will be this one, 50 divided by 10, which will be equal to 5. 5 will be our answer, but it is not correct answer. Because, according to PEMDAS, we have to move from left to right, while we have not adopted this left to right rule, because we have solved multiplication first and cancelled 3 and 3. But we have to move from left to right to solve it accurately. So 50 will be written as it is. Divide can be converted into multiplication, and after changing this division into multiplication, we have to flip next term to it. So it will be 3 over 10 now, multiplied by 3. Here is a little bit cancellation. We will get 5 here, because 10 and 50 can't be cancelled. Can be cancelled. So we have 5 times 3 times 3. What is the value of 5 times 3? It will be 15. And here is 3. 15 times 3, it will be equal to 45. So 45 will be our correct answer, and those who have obtained 5 as answer are wrong in this question, and 45 will be considered as correct answer according to PEMDAS rule. Thank you for your big support and subscription for my channel.